Someone said, "What is used for the back edge of the headliner to keep it up?"
The back edge. Okay, so we're gonna wrap the material around the back side, and we're gonna wrap it around the front. And I like to wrap all the edges, except for right here at the pillars. And the headliner itself will glue about a half an inch to a quarter an inch. Just wrap it around the back side, and that right there will make sure that it's nice and sealed, and no air gets under there anymore to dry out the foam.
So it's not Velcro.
It's no Velcro. Yeah. On the back side of this headliner, I'll flip it over for you real quick. There's a couple of clips here, and one Velcro strip, another clip here, and that snaps it into place. But what really holds this headliner board in is right here at these pillars. The pillars is what really do all the work. Across the back edge, this right here just gives it a nice support so it doesn't sag. But as you see, it was glued. The headliner itself was glued here, and that's what we'll be doing. So I got this thing flipped over. I'll go ahead and clean this little edge here. And as you can see, they only had one edge glued down. They didn't have any of these other edges glued. But we'll be gluing those down.
No problem. No problem. All right, guys, so now I'll go ahead and get ready to blow this thing off. All right, guys, just excuse me. I like to have my workplace a little clean, so that way everything looks nice and tidy. I'm gonna grab the material. Be right back. Defect on this little roll here. I'm gonna grab another piece real quick. Be right back. Mm-hmm.